Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model 3 door from the inside. It's important to understand the unique design of these doors, as they differ from conventional vehicles. We'll cover both the standard electronic method and the crucial mechanical emergency release. Knowing both ensures you can always exit safely and efficiently, regardless of the situation. For everyday use, the Tesla Model 3 features an electronic door release. Simply press the small button located on the inside door handle. This action electronically unlatches the door, allowing you to push it open. Remember, this method requires the vehicle's power system to be active. Always confirm your car is in park before attempting to open the door this way for safety. Now, let's discuss the mechanical emergency release, which is the only way to open the door if the vehicle loses power. Look for a small lever positioned near the window controls, usually below the electronic button. Pull this lever firmly upwards to manually disengage the door latch. This crucial feature ensures you can always exit the vehicle, even in a complete power failure. It's vital to know when to use each door release. The electronic button is for your daily, routine exits when the car has power. However, the mechanical lever is your fail-safe, the only way out if the electronic system is unresponsive or the car is without power. Familiarize yourself with both methods to ensure you and your passengers can always exit the Model 3 safely and without hesitation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.